breaking inputs coming in. And BJP, of course, is also analyzing its performance in Haryana. This is what top BJP sources are telling us, that as per their analysis, BJP's analysis, the scheduled caste community voted for the BJP in large numbers. And Rahul Gandhi's remarks on the quota issue in the United States has ended up hurting the Congress party. Remember when he said, whenever there's a level playing field, we would want to end the quota system. BJP sources also telling your channel that they sensed a big undercurrent against the Congress party and they were unhappy with the chaos among the Congress and the Hoodas. Let's go across to Pragya now, joining us from Sirsa. Pragya, the BJP says, according to its analysis, people were unhappy with the Congress chaos, the infighting, and that the SCs voted in large number for the Bharatiya Janata Party. There was an undercurrent. There was a sentiment on ground that people from the SC community were a bit hurt because, according to them, Kumari Selja was sidelined. Was that a big factor, Pragya?
Swati. Swati, you are absolutely right, and I'm standing in Kurukshetra at Mr. Caretaker CM Naib Singh Saini's residence. He is, scheduled to come out anytime, and I would tell you that there is a sentiment in the BJP workers as well during the campaign. They were saying that the silent voters are not taken into consideration when there were exit polls done. So basically, they were saying that they were very sure that the caste basis, they have been able to consolidate the caste across party lines, and Congress could have said that they will be working for Jat versus non-Jat, or for changing their stance to Chhattis Biradari. But it is actually BJP that has worked on caste combinations, OBC, SC, and not just SC, deprived supreme, scheduled caste. This is the tagline that has been given to the, a section of community in the scheduled caste, saying that they are the most backward, and in fact they will get the benefit if BJP comes to power. BJP has been speaking about it, and BJP believes that they are bearing the fruit of that. In fact, if you remember, there are BJP leaders who had, called out Congress for mistreating Ms. Selja, and thereby they also thought that this is a campaign that worked online. This was a silent campaign on the ground, and this also worked to consolidate Dalit vote in favor of BJP. They have been saying that, and in fact, there are many BJP leaders. In fact, Caretaker CM Naib Singh Saini also emphasized on the fact, and in fact, Mr. Manohar Lal Khattar also said that we welcome Selja Kumari, irrespective of the fact whether she wanted to come. There is a messaging that BJP wanted to give to these castes, and it seems that these castes have voted for, in fact, BJP, and this is exactly what BJP also was estimating. In fact, BJP, when Naib Singh Saini was asked about it yesterday in the press conference about the exit poll, he said he is very confident, and Congress will cry about EVMs when the results will come. Now,